During our video, I'd like you to keep in mind Newton's first law of motion. Every object continues in a state of rest or uniform speed in a straight line unless acted upon by a non-zero force. Our video begins with a clip of multiple downhill skaters reaching their maximum speed due to terminal velocity. The next section is a skater using his momentum and weight to speed up, assisted by gravity, while also limiting his drag. Here the skaters are demonstrating a draft train. Due to drag and wind resistance, they begin to lose speed as they reach terminal velocity. To overcome this, they lock together to give themselves greater mass, thus momentum, to increase acceleration for a time. Here they demonstrate bump drafting, where two skaters align and the rear pushes forward on his partner. As the partner is accelerated forward, the drag and the air going past him begins to increase, and the pressure itself decreases, thus allowing the secondary skater to move through this low pressure area at a greater pace and catch up to the first. Safety always being of importance, the skaters have two specific ways to slow themselves down. This first one is the air brake. The skater increases their surface area to allow the drag and air resistance to increase on their body, decelerating them and allowing the friction to overtake their momentum.
Inside.
Here now you can see where the skater begins to use a sliding brake, where they turn their board sideways and allow the friction to increase to a point that they decelerate past their momentum's capability to keep moving them forward. Skaters also often use a form of a heavy durable glove that will allow them to increase friction by putting their hand down to slow themselves as they go. The skaters here are demonstrating stand-up sliding. The same premise as sliding to slow down, except here they are trying to attempt at not touching the ground and without any external forces carry themselves a greater distance than their opponents. Thus, whoever reaches the furthest distance while sliding sideways will be considered the winner. And finally, for your enjoyment, an elastic collision at its finest.
Yeah, I'm straight.
Videos of movement like this assist game art students to properly build and rig realistic models.